Hello everyone, how are you doing? Personally, I'm doing good. Welcome in our today's lesson. Today we are going to discuss some questions. As you can see, that with me I have some learners at the background, whereby we are going to learn together with them. As you can see, we have some revision questions here, whereby the first question, we are supposed to express 420 as a product of its prime factors. And before we even solve the question, may we know the meaning of prime numbers is learned in grade 7. So with my learners, they will help us remember what are prime numbers. So learners, what are prime numbers? Yes, Mwende?
A prime number is a number that is only has two divisors, that is 1 and the number itself.
Yeah, a number that has only two divisors, that is 1 and the number itself. Can you give us some examples of prime numbers? Examples of prime numbers. Beatrice? 3. Mutanu? 2. Christine?
5.
7. They are so many. Among those numbers, we've heard of an even number, which is a prime number. Which even number? Yes, Gloria? 2. So 2 is the only even number which is a prime number, because it has two factors, that is 2 and 1. And we also have an odd number which is not a prime number. Which odd number is that? Which many learners make a mistake and they tend to list it in prime numbers. Evelyn? 9. 9. Yeah, 9 is an odd number which is not a prime number, but we have another one. Yes, Mwende? 1. 1 is not a prime number, but many learners mention it as a prime number. Good. So we can now express 420 as a product of its prime factors, whereby we are going to have 420, and then we check the first prime number, whether it can divide 420 without a remainder. That is 2. Yeah, 2. Can 2 divide 420?
Yes.
Yeah, 2 what? Juliana? 210. Good. Then again we check whether 2 can divide 210. Can it?
Yes.
Here to what, Gloria? 105. Can it divide 105 too again?
No.
No. So we move to the next prime number, which is 3. 3. What is 105 divided by 3? Caro? 35. And then we check whether 3 again can divide 35 without a remainder. Can it?
No.
No. So we move to the next prime number, which is
5.
5. And what is 35 divided by 5? Evelyn? 7. Are we supposed to proceed?
No.
No. Why? Why? Mwende?
7 is a prime number.
7 is a prime number. Very good. 7 is a prime number. So the moment the last number is a prime number, you don't proceed. Some learners make a mistake and they can say by 7, 1. And therefore including 1 in the list. And we had said earlier that 1 is not a prime number. So that is now we have 2 times 2 times